Hi guys, I am Rahul Katwa, co-founder and also the head of production and procurement at Rhinox.
Hi guys, I'm Kushal. I am a co-founder of Rhinox and I look into marketing and sales.
Hi everyone, I'm Shameen Deshmukh, co-founder at Rhinox, and I also head operations.
So guys, you had asked us questions on the Instagram story and our team has selected a list of questions that have been most frequently asked. So we'll try to answer most of them. So now here's a question from Nara Fatinias, and he asks, when can we expect Rhinox sale for Diwali?
So as Rhinox, we don't go on sale. Like we don't go on sale because we follow a policy called EDBP, which is everyday best pricing, wherein we believe that we should offer our products at the best price possible every day. So you walk in today, tomorrow, a month later too, you're gonna get the product at the same price, and I believe that's better.
And that is certainly what we have been following right from the
I mean,
inception.
why
We have
to
never been on
overprice
discounts.
a product and then put it on discount? If we can afford to provide a product at a particular price, let's do it from day one. Why to price it higher and then put it on discount? Not that when brands put it on discount, they go in losses and
Make
they
it
sell, right?
affordable to them 365 days a
Yeah,
year.
we make it affordable for them 365 days, so we don't go
So
on discount.
yeah, that's the point. So the next question is from Shri Solai Rajan, and he asks that I am waiting for a good budget waterproof riding pant, jacket, glove, and a pant with tailbone.
Everything apart from the waterproof gloves is already available if I'm not wrong.
We have everything except for waterproof gloves, which also should be there shortly. With regards to the pant with tailbone protector, I am not sure if you are aware, but then we already have pants with have a tailbone pocket,
You can
a pocket for
purchase.
tailbone protector, and you can purchase the tailbone protector separately. So that's already there.
Now the next question is from Delta Kilogram, and he is asking why the name Rhinox.
Rhinox, the name has been derived from two animals, rhinoceros and ox. The idea behind having the name was to ensure that we have products which would be as strong as a rhinoceros and as aggressive as an ox. So the rhino, ox, you combine it, you get Rhinox. You walk into an exclusive
at an
store, you would
exclusive
see
store
both the
Spirit animals.
spirit
Spirit
animals,
animal.
Yeah.
on the counter.
So the next question is from Satya M. D. Hodkar, and he is asking, do you need a manufacturing plant?
We already have manufacturing units specific for luggage and apparel, which are currently occupying space for 60,000 square feet.
Yeah, 60,000. But then his question is, do you need, maybe we need one and we are opening another manufacturing unit soon. So yes, we do need, but we already have one now.
So guys, the next question is from A_Voyager_8008, and he is asking, why did you stop manufacturing old Navigator tank bag?
We haven't stopped, it's still available.
It's still available across all the dealer network in India. We have not stopped the manufacturing. I think now you could take ahead the question.
Okay, I'll take the next one. Beer by Brap. How to start a company from scratch. Okay, that's an interesting one. So the first thing is believe in yourselves. If you actually have a good idea, you don't look out for validation from others. There is that leap of faith that you will have to take. No matter how much of validation you get from people, you still have to believe in yourselves that things would work your way. So I think that is something that is my recommendation. What do you guys say?
I feel a person needs to give good enough time for him to understand the concept first and then make it into a business plan. And I would recommend him that stop taking advices from each and every person that you meet.
You believe in the idea, you work at it. Yeah. I mean,
Simple as that.
And idea is nobody's. It's not an intellectual property. If you have an idea, everyone else will.
Correct.
It's about how soon you deploy, how soon you roll it out into a product or a service, or
Well,
whatever.
that is what we did back, like 10 years back when we had an idea. We did the same thing.
You roll it out. Correct.
So I'll take the next one. My spare market. What are your future plans for Rhinox and when are you guys entering international markets? So in terms of international market, from our website, we have been shipping out to a lot of consumers. We directly keep getting orders from, I don't know, multiple countries, and we keep shipping orders, products out of this thing.
happening
In terms
every
of having direct distribution network, yes, we have been in talks with a couple of distributors in some countries right now.
We are supplying to our neighboring countries as well.
Already available in countries like Bangladesh, Nepal,
Sri
Sri
Lanka.
Lanka, and I mean, yeah, that's there. If you're talking about the Western countries, we have been aggressively talking to a couple of distributors. Maybe we would just be shipping out a
It's happening.
consignment.
It's work
So
in progress.
Too early to reveal that, but yes, we have been working on that too. Moving on to the next one. What do you do in free time?
Just like a normal.
Yeah, I like to.
See, if I'm having a good day off, I'll take my bike, I'll go for a ride, and after that, maybe I'll go out with my family for a movie, ask my friends, okay.
Spend some time with your family.
Yeah.
It's equally important after you finish off your work.
Yeah, family and friends for a beer or two. I mean, we all do that, right? So, yeah, that is what we do, like everyone else. My Spare Market again has another one. Please give 3 tips on business expansion. I think Rahul has a very interesting answer to this.
Parampara, Pratishtha, Anushasan. 3 tips.
Okay. So the next one I'll pass it on to Shamin.
Next one is from ABCDEF Gautam. Any product designer openings in your company? Again, yes, we do have openings. Write to us, careers@rhinospheres.com. We'll get in touch with you. Next one is from Prakash_NAG. Do we get life insurance while wearing jacket lifelong? No, Prakash, we do not. You do not get life insurance, but you do get a personal accident insurance, which is available if you purchase a Rhinox protective apparel. It's worth 50,000 rupees and it is valid for a year. Next one is from Singh Amy. If I purchase jacket online and I'm not sure about my size, if I want to change my size, is it possible?
Yeah, certainly it is possible. You have to visit our customer support page on our website and fill up the appropriate form, and you will have a hassle-free exchange. There is no problem whatsoever. So, PBRY17, please do a riding jeans. Relaxed fit, please. None of the brands have relaxed straight fit. So, yes, we are working on a motorcycle denim too, and we currently are in the prototyping phase, and we should be out with it probably next year though.
But he was concerned about the relaxed fit is what I get.
Yeah, you
But
specifically
I think
mentioned relaxed fit.
I think it is not possible for a protective garment to have a relaxed fit because we are talking protective armors over here. Because if you're coming up with a protective denim, then it will have protective inserts.
Yeah, a straight fit, I don't know, maybe a straight fit may not allow you to have the protectors close to your body as it should be in a motorcycling denim. So we are not sure about a straight fit, but something that is relaxed fit, I think it's necessary. Like you're making a denim, it should be more relaxing to the motorcyclist who are using it. It may not be a straight fit per se, but a
then-
fit that is more comfortable than one wearing a
But you need to use
motorcycle
those kind
pant.
of appropriate materials. Okay? You can use a stretch fabric to bring in that comfort fit.
Yeah, so probably what he meant by the relaxed fit is a comfort fit. Maybe something that's more comfortable.
Obviously.
Yeah, okay. So the next one is by Sumit Ranasube. The question is EMI option for products.
Our payment gateway has an option where you can complete your transaction through an EMI. They've tied up with multiple banks, so when you check out, you get all the options available there.
Yeah. So the next one is by Manish Sambare. Are you guys Indian? Yes, we are Indian.
Yes, very much. We all are
Yeah,
Indians.
very much, very much. We
We
have
are
been
born-
born and brought up in
yeah.
Mumbai. We had our education in Mumbai, and Rhinox also has been a brand that has been founded in India. It's a Desi brand. We founded it here. So all the designing, everything that happens in India.
We are a homegrown Desi brand.
Moving on to the next one is by Abdul Jumani. When is it going to list on stock exchange? Okay, that's a big one. We would be very happy the day it does, and we hope you purchase the stock that time too. Yeah.
You subscribe to the IPO that time whenever
Yeah,
we
yeah.
are planning to come up with, going public.
So, like we say, our customers have been our investors. It's been 10 years that we have taken to grow where we are. And from year one, customers purchased products, the money was invested back in the company.
We are still a privately held
We are
organization.
still a privately held organization. 3 of us own the company even today. So, but we would love to have our customers to be our investors, the real investors when we have an IPO probably in the future. Why not?
We had a wonderful time connecting with you guys. We were very happy to answer the questions, and we hope to have such interactive sessions going ahead.
The last 10 years have been full of excitement and filled with enthusiasm, and we are thrilled for the next 10 years now. So let's see what's there. I'm hoping you guys are as excited as we are.
Yeah, actually, these 10 years have been really amazing. And now that we have geared up ourselves, we are fueled, we are completely charged, to achieve the future vision that is to become the global brand in the coming 10 years.